Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today we're going to make Lao Tom Kem, or braised caramelized pork. To get started, I already boiled some eggs. And here I got the ingredients ready. The ginger. And we have the kefir leaf. Galanga. And the lemongrass. I also have dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce. MSG is optional, and a little bit of salt. And here's the star of the show, our 3-layer pork with skin on. You could use chicken or beef or even just a regular pork. It does not have to be the 3-layer pork with skin on. I should mention before I do any prepping, I always get my boiled eggs ready, peel it, and just set it aside. And here's the fun part, caramelizing our sugar. I know this looks like a lot of sugar, but we are making a sweet, savory dish. And in the pan, it's just sugar and medium heat, that's it. And slowly cook it, caramelize it. We're almost there with the sugar. Okay, once all the sugar is caramelized, you want to add your pork. Be sure not to burn your sugar, so you got to stand there. Don't walk away from the stove because it could burn really quick. Trust me, I know, I made that mistake before. So just stir a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our ingredients. In goes the lemongrass. And then you want to add the galanga, the kefir leaf. I'm sorry if I'm not saying it right. Or ginger. If you don't have the kefir leaf or lemongrass or galanga, do not add it. Ginger is good enough. Just make sure you have the ginger. And give it a quick stir before we add in the wet ingredients. Look how that looks. Oh my gosh. Doesn't it look so good? It smells really good too. So now go ahead and add in your oyster sauce. Dark soy sauce. Soy sauce. Your fish sauce. And your MSG, like I said, that's optional. And your salt. And just give it a quick stir. Sure that all the ingredients incorporated with the meat. We're adding our eggs, the one we set aside earlier. I put a lot because my family likes a lot of eggs. And I add in probably like 4 or 5 cups of water. If you like it very soupy, you could always add more. And I'm just going to give it a quick stir. So you want to cook this until the meat is soft if you want to check on it. I normally cook mine like an hour and a half. So just cover that up. So after cooking this for 1 hour on medium heat, oh my gosh, just look at it. Right? Doesn't that look so good? Just keep looking at it, admiring the screen. Just look at it. I had to zoom in. What do you guys think? Does that look good or what? Eat this with some sticky rice or a side of steamed rice. I'm telling you, that sauce over steamed rice, that beauty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys give it a try.